Hey, it's Dennis here. Today I'm gonna tell you about a new helper. Everyone's shouting about how AI is going to replace humans, but I have my own thoughts on that. What I do know for sure is that it's going to make life much less complicated. Let me introduce you to our AI bot. Its win rate is 92.3%. My team and I made the bot so that it gives precise instructions, when and on which pair to enter, and it predicts market movements. The AI bot won't bother you with constant reminders or urgent messages. It's straight to the point. Whether you follow its advice or not, it's up to you. It's like having a personal consultant who's available anytime. Just follow the sections. I'm sure you understand how effective that is. It's also incredibly user-friendly. On Telegram, we explain everything in detail, from what to click to how to navigate, so even beginners can figure it out. Let's get started. I can't wait any longer. Oh, and by the way, the most exciting part, access to your channel is free for now. Click the link under this video and the top pinned comment and join our community. Alright, before the session starts, the bot has already sent me 4 key players. Let me add them to the screen. Today, I suggest starting with Honey. I've already set the standard settings, and that's it for preparation. Now we just wait for info from the AI bot. If you have any questions about setting up the platform or what to click, I'm always here ready to help. In the meantime, the first message from the bot has arrived. It's analyzing the first pair. Alright, the chart is open. Double check the name carefully, otherwise you risk losing by mistake. Okay, Honey is set and the bot tells us to go down. When the AI bot sends a message saying up or down, that's when you need to click the corresponding button on the platform and open the trade. Looking at this pair chart, it's clear that the buyers can break through the resistance level, so the candle is going to move down. And our high-tech bot quickly analyzed the situation and gave us a logical prediction, which is playing out right in front of us. And there we go. I'm already seeing my first results. Pretty nice, right? Especially considering that the AI bot did all the hard thinking for me. Love it. Another message from the bot. Let's follow the instructions. Alright, moving on. The bot just sent a prediction for a downward move. Okay, down it is. The coolest thing about our bot is that it's constantly evolving and learning on its own. Essentially, the more we use it, the better it gets at performing technical analysis on the chart. As a result, the accuracy of the predictions and their success rate keeps improving. In one session, we typically run through 7 trades. That only takes about 70 minutes of your time. And by joining just one session, you can achieve significant results. If you have any questions about how our bot works, feel free to send me a direct message on Telegram, and I'll definitely get back to you. The link is in the description below this video and in the top pinned comment. Let's keep going. By the way, if you take a closer look at this pair's chart, you'll see the bulls pushed upwards. But after reaching a new high, the bears come back strong and push the candles back to the previous support level. Our second session in a row with AI bot is showing positive results. This is a great example of how well the bot is doing its job. Let's move on to the next pair. Alright, the bot is suggesting I focus on Europe. We are heading down. One of many advantages of the bot is that you can start small and eventually work your way up to bigger results, minimizing risks and lowering the chances of losses. By the way, the situation on this pair is pretty similar to the previous two. We are seeing a strong movement with the red candle. So, is this a whole new level or what? Honestly, I don't get why some people are still afraid to give it a try. Let's keep going. Moving on, as you can see, I fully trust the bot, and it's currently recommending we go down. Just a reminder, many beginner traders are already taking their first successful steps in the market from my Telegram. Join our community to learn from the top professionals. We are over 9,000 strong now, and it's not just the AI bot which thinks and analyzes faster than any human, but also a treasure trove of knowledge from specialists and a group of awesome people. The link is in the description and in the top comment. The trade closed successfully. The bot is analyzing the chart again. Alright, I see the bot has sent me new instructions. I don't want to slow down, so let's keep growing the deposit. The prediction is for a downward movement. Imagine having 100 of seasoned professionals as your advisors. How would you feel during the session? That's exactly how I feel, relying on our AI bot. What's more, it's not just the bot's AI, it's powered by my own personal experience, combined with the knowledge and skills of top-notch programmers and market experts. Can you imagine the power behind this bot? It might seem like the trade closed near the entry point, but we all know that success in trading is defined by predicting the correct movement of the pair. And that's exactly what the bot did for us. So now I'm at 2,609. Remember where we started? Today, I suggest starting with 100. Let's run a few more final trades. Alright, moving forward. I want to lower the risk now. Not that down, don't trust the bot, but you know what they say. Better safe than sorry. Oh, finally we going up. We seeing the shift. The bulls are taking control. And now AI bot spotted the change just in time. Let's see how this asset performs. The chart is showing higher volatility now with strong impulses both up and down. Like I said earlier, the AI has already built up a lot of experience trading in volatile market. So I have no doubt we'll see a good result. See? What did I say? Fantastic. Now let's do the final trade. Alright, these guys are going to wrap up our session for today. The bot says I should go up, and I have no reason to argue with it. Why do I recommend everyone join our open sessions with the AI bot? First, it's much safer than trading on your own. Honestly, it's even safer than trading with a mentor. After all, mentors are humans, and humans make mistakes. Second, not only can you get great results, but you can also learn from the bot. How to do technical analysis, for example. And third, it's the fastest way to expand your potential and keep growing it every single day. That's it. The trade's closed, and look at that. Even with high volatility, I got a successful result. 7 out of 7. I'm sure anyone would be happy with this kind of result in such a short session. I think we've done enough for today. Great job. Now it's your turn to try the bot for yourself and start getting more successful sessions with the experience of my whole team behind you. Get connected to the bot and start making your life better. The link is below you next time. That's all for now. Bye bye.